Rock Hill Screen Print, home of the Last Call for Plastisol podcast, and we're doing some videos. And the one we're showing now is the InPro, the Combi Eco. It's an automatic high pressure washer and image washout. Right now we've got some screens soaking in the dip tank, and when they're ready, you pull them out, kind of give them a good drain, and then slide them into the machine. After this, as you can see, all the emulsion and everything's been removed from the screens. So at this point, we take them out and we'll run them over here. Time to spray some dehazer on them. And we're using the Bio 1. It's an ink degrading dehazer, stain remover, and degreaser. So you spray a little bit on. You brush it in real good. Load it back into the machine. At this point, it'll be dehazed, degreased, and ready to go to coat. All right, as you can see, the screens have finished going through the high pressure washing part of the dehaze. Now the screens are already dehazed, degreased, and they're ready to go on the drying rack and ready to go to be coated to put back into the print circulation. For more information on the InPro machine and the products we used with it, go to Kor-Chem.com. That's Kor-Chem.com.